Hey, welcome back to mashtips. Here is another video that we're going to introduce a couple of AirPods Pro version 2 tips that's going to be useful for you. If you haven't ordered this AirPods Pro yet, don't forget to engrave your favorite symbol or favorite logo on it. In previous versions, Apple let you engrave the emojis or any other symbols on your AirPods Pro case, but now there is a surprise for new AirPods Pro user. You can see the same engraved letter on your software itself. That's pretty cool, right? It's a new surprise from Apple, and this is the first time they're introducing this engraving on the software too. You can see the engraving on the very first screen when you start to connect your AirPods Pro on your iPhone. There are 3 different ways to connect and charge your AirPod case. Before, you will be able to connect through the lightning cable because still it's a lightning port. And the second option is to use your same wireless charger that you use to charge your iPhone. And the third option is you can use your Apple Watch MagSafe charger to charge this AirPod. So there are 3 different options to charge your AirPods Pro case. If you are using this AirPods Pro for a long time, you know these controls. Just for the beginners, let me explain this control. Press the stump to play and pause audio. Double press the stump for next track. Triple press the stump for the previous track. And when you receive the call, press the stump to answer the call, and you can slightly swipe up or down to adjust the volume of your AirPods Pro 2. By default, both of these AirPods mic will work when you make a call. Just in case if you are traveling by public transportation or if you are in a crowd, you can activate only one side of your mic and disable the other side. Just to go to the AirPod settings on your iPhone and scroll down for microphone, where you can select automatically switch between the AirPods or select left or right AirPods for the mic. You can see the battery level of both the case and the AirPods when you bring this one and open the lid next to your iPhone. In addition to that, with the latest iOS 16, you can see the battery level of the case and the individual AirPods on the battery widget. If you don't see the battery level of these individual AirPods, probably they may have the same battery level. And still, if you want to see that, just insert one into the case, then it will show you the battery level of 2 individual AirPods on the battery widget of your iPhone. Just like your AirTag, you can use this AirPods Pro case and enable the left behind the feature. So this will help you to get a notification if you leave this AirPod case behind you when you go for a park or for a running. And later you can locate this AirPod Pro case from the map and get it with the help of a Find My app on your iPhone. So to enable this one, you have to go to Find My app and select your AirPod Pro case and make sure that you enable Notify when left behind. And you can give a couple of locations, and even though you leave it there, you won't get any notification. Other than that, if you left behind any other different places, you get a notification on your home screen. Just like your iPhone, did you ever try to connect this one with your Windows laptop, just in case if you are using a Windows laptop along with this iPhone instead of a Mac? I tried to connect this one and it is easy to connect. Only thing you have to keep press on this case button to pair with your Windows laptop or desktop, and eventually you can pair with your Windows desktop. I see the connection is okay, but definitely you won't get all the features that you get on your Mac. But still, if you are using a combination of iPhone and Windows laptop, you can pair this AirPods Pro 2 with your Windows laptop and use it as a Bluetooth headphone. I usually misplace my AirPods case and sometimes my AirPods too. No problem if you lost your case or misplaced under the couch or in the car. With the U1 chip built in with this Pro case, you can precisely locate this one. When you use this Find My to locate this AirPods Pro case or AirPods Pro, you can see 2 different colors. The AirPods Pro case, you can see a green screen. That means it can precisely locate it with U1 chip. But when you search for an AirPods Pro, the screen will convert into blue color. That means there is no U1 chip support to locate that one in precise, but still the iPhone can guide you to find out this missing one. You can press and hold on this stem to control these AirPods with the music or with any active code, or even for the noise cancellation and transparency. So there is an option if you want to control the noise cancellation and transparency, and you can assign that to one of the AirPod stem, and the second stem you can use to control for the Siri. Go to AirPod settings, scroll down for press and hold AirPods, and for the left one you can select for Siri, and the right one you can switch between noise cancellation and transparency. So basically for the AirPods you can use the left stem for noise control and transparency and the right stem for the Siri, or vice versa. Just in case if you lost your AirPods at work or school, it can locate through the Find My app on your iPhone, and it can show you the location on the map while you open your Find My app on iPhone. And there is an additional option to find this misplaced AirPods Pro. You can make a high-pitched noise on this AirPods Pro through your Find My app, and easily you can locate this one. In addition to that, in the case there is an additional speaker here. The speaker can make a noise when you play the sound from Find My app, so that's an easy solution to locate this device, just in case if you miss it under the couch or the furniture. And the speaker will also give you a nice chime when you connect this one to the charger. And when you start to use this AirPods Pro, don't forget to turn on this spatial audio. You can go to this AirPods Pro settings and scroll down for personalized spatial audio. This provides you immersive 3-dimensional sound that follows the movement of your iPhone for supported audio and visuals. And I read some news that the Netflix is working on this spatial audio and going to release in future. So it's going to be an immersive experience while you watch the movie on your Apple TV or other devices. The AirPods Pro version 2 offers more battery life. However, if you want to get a long battery life of this AirPods Pro, don't forget to turn on this optimized battery charging that you can find out from this AirPods Pro settings. Scroll down and turn on this optimized battery charging. When you start using your AirPods Pro, and if you think the noise cancellation is not working well, you can do an ear tip test on your iPhone. And if you see the suggestion the tip is not tight enough, you can try this additional tips comes with this AirPods Pro 2. There are 3 different sizes: large, small and extra small, to try it out. Remember, this new AirPods Pro can be associated with your Apple ID. So if you are selling this one, or if you are giving this as a gift to any of your friends, you have to remove this AirPods from your Apple ID first. So just in case if you lose it, nobody can use it, because the AirPods Pro is still attached to your iCloud ID. And if you want to hard reset your AirPods Pro, just in case, there are 2 options. You have to go to your iPhone and open your AirPods Pro settings, scroll down, tap on this forget this device and confirm that. That way you can erase your AirPods Pro and convert into a factory reset state. Alternatively, you can do a factory reset with your AirPods Pro with your hand. Just to open the lid. By keeping the lid open, press and hold the setup button on back of the AirPods Pro case for about 15 seconds until the status light in front of the case flashes amber, then it will switch to white. If you already have the previous generation and who want to upgrade to the next gen, I have just one line review about it. The ANC of this Pro 2 is into the next level. Super. And for the sound quality and other sound effects, it is okay compared to the previous version. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are going to enjoy this new AirPods Pro. And if you have any other additional tips or comments, don't forget to comment below this video. And if you like this video, click on the subscribe button here. If you already have your iPhones and if you want to see a couple of tips, you can check the video here. And again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will see in another one.